It's what
Is that
SWAT
better?
guy said, lovely backdrop and even more lovely chef.
Hey, that's our lovely neighbors. Just gave me the banana cake that day. Oh, so yummy. You got to make me more banana cake, Swat. Okay, Swat? Sorry, it's two folds here, so I'm looking here, there, everywhere. Okay, so the oil is in, and remember how to see whether the oil is ready is to use wooden skewer. And when you see bubbles, I can see the bubbles. Then I'm going to put in my star anise, cinnamon stick, and also the cloves, yeah? Okay, so I wait until the aroma hit my nose, because that's how we do. We always wait for aroma, then we know the flavor is out. We don't actually tell you 1 minute, you put this, or 2 minutes, put that. We wait actually for the aroma. Okay, so just give a bit of time. You see, I'm not used to this. Okay, I'll put lower. Op, 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 op. Alright, so now is the garlic, shallot, and also ginger. Again, you need patience cooking. I want to repeat again that cooking is very flexible actually. Some people don't have the patience, so they just put in for a few minutes. They don't wait for the aroma to come out. And then they start adding the next ingredients. It's okay, but you're not going to get the same, delicious or lazat flavor. So you need to be really patient. You want to caramelize your herbs, which is the onion in there, garlic, and also ginger, yeah? And what you see we are doing here, in most curries, we use almost the same ingredients. Sometimes we probably add in lemongrass, and then maybe sometimes chilies. But because this is a curry dish, you can still add in chili or turmeric. You can do that, yeah. But because our curry paste here has already all the flavors in here, so you need to know how strong your curry paste or curry powder. Then you can adjust the other ingredients, yeah. Okay, so I have curry leaves here, and maybe actually I have a little herb garden in my corner here. We have pandan, we have ginger, all the basic necessary, yeah. The basic ingredients, I have it here in the balcony. Okay, so it's also very windy. Oh my God, it's so lovely. Look, windy and nice. So I have I already put in all the other ingredients just now that I mentioned. Now I have the curry leaf that I plucked from my little garden here. Curry leaves. Can you see curry leaves? Yeah. So I add in now. Hi Jessie. Jessie has been wonderful. I mean, I have a lot of wonderful friends, but she shared all my guys, if you can share with your friends or just share in your Facebook, Instagram, let more people know about Malaysian food. Or your friends, your family members, anywhere they are in the world. We are so blessed now that you can, share everything and on social media. Can you see? Here, Instagram, right? This is Facebook. This is Instagram. Can you see? No question on Instagram yet?
Nope. Shalin said salam subuh dari London.
Oh my God, London. What time is London now? Subuh. Oh, dia apa ni? Sahur. Is that Shah?
Yeah, Shalin.
Shah, he's a cook. He's a chef in London, yeah. Hi Shah, how are you? I stalked you on your Facebook. You've been cooking. Oh my God, you're already celebrating Raya. Fasting is only 2 weeks, but you've been doing all the lovely food I saw. Okay, so it's almost caramelizing. and the aroma. I wish you are here to smell all the beautiful aroma. So that is very, very important in our cooking. You know, it's not about time. Like I mentioned earlier, it's all about when the aroma hit your nose. You can go somewhere else for a while, do your laundry, go dancing, exercise a bit, you know, do push-up or whatever. But don't leave your cooking too long because it doesn't want to be neglected. So talking about neglecting, I want to add in also the part where you guys have to really be passionate and with a lot of love when you cook in order to get the best and to make sure your family member enjoy your cooking, because I think that's the most important thing, because ingredients can be forgiving. But if you're not in the mood and then you're like, I have to cook for my family, you know, you're angry, please don't go into your kitchen. No matter how fresh or how lovely your ingredients that you have, it will come out lousy. Trust me. So please, please smile a lot and your heart, you know, overflowing with love. Who? Oh, Lelaine. Hi, Lelaine. How are you? Long time no see, no news. Okay, so now it's really, really caramelizing. So you remember the step, yeah, because you can always repeat, and the live stream will be on for 24/7. 24 hours. So my Instagram friends, how come no question or hi from Instagram? Everyone quiet ah? Okay, never mind. Just share with your friends. Yeah?
Grace here, greeting from Philippines. Stay safe. Happy cooking.
Hi, Grace. Grace is another student of Lazard many years ago, right, Grace? You came to me many years ago, but I remember you actually because you came with some friends, with some chef friends as well, I think.
Then Brian Rocket say, wow, great to see you and view again.
Ah, Brian, view. Brian from US, maybe.
Brian Rocket.
Okay, I know quite. Sorry, but you will excuse me, because actually we do have many Brians at Lazard. I mean, so I forgive me if I don't recognize you, but you know, thank you anyway for showing up here. So okay, so I talk and I explain as well. Basically, see, I'm not making noise. I do this. Remember? Don't do that. Do this. Huh? Outdoor, so you cannot make noise, Dylan. Ashraf, today I'm happy because I got all the support here. Night time they all disappear in their room, but daytime they are up. So by the way, we are fasting in Malaysia and most part, I think some parts of the world as well. And this, so that means I cannot taste, yeah, my cooking today. None of us here can taste, but yeah. Anyone? Adina, maybe you can taste, yeah? Never mind. It's okay, it's okay. So yeah. Can you see Facebook and Instagram followers? Thank you. So, I do have quite a lot of. I purposely actually cook more paste today because if I finish my pineapple, because actually if you compare the ratio between the pineapple and the curry paste, pineapple should be more, but I can always add later when I finish the this amount of pineapple, yeah. And it's good to have stronger, more concentrated paste anyway. So after this, it should be more quick, yeah. Only the part of bringing out all your herbs and spices, the flavors that you need longer time, and then it will be quicker. Okay. So what is in curry powder? Can anyone tell me what's in curry powder? Can you all tell me what's actually in the curry powder?
Curry.
Come on, Dylan. What's in curry powder? Easy
Curry leaf,
answer,
curry leaf.
curry. No, curry leaf you put outside
Powder.
unless you dry it first and then you can put it.
Got powder
Okay,
inside.
curry powder. Yes, turmeric
Onion,
definitely. Onion powder, yes, in
Ginger.
there. Onion, ginger.
Shallot.
No, not ginger. Ginger is added in.
Chili powder. That's what guys said.
Yes, chili powder, turmeric powder,
She said fennel cumin.
fennel, cumin,
Wow.
coriander. So you got to try to taste your curry powder. Taste them. Then if you think that is very mild, that's why we add more. Yeah, like cinnamon. You saw me adding earlier because I don't taste that strong enough in my curry powder. So try to do that. Yeah. So get to know your ingredients. Then you can play around with it. You can add more. Whatever is not enough, you can add more. Okay, guys, can you all please read rather than chatting?
We are multitasking.
Read all the. Okay.
Fenugreek, cinnamon. What?
Yes, correct. Fenugreek, cinnamon, and then also you know lentils or dal is also part of the curry powder. Huh? Pepper, and then of course in this part of the world we use more of chili powder. But yeah, you can create your own spices, you know, add in this whatever you like most or whatever suitable for meat, vegetables or seafood. So normally I do that as well. But our curry powder in Malaysia, they are very very yummy. It takes a bit of time to make your own curry powder. You got time, you do it because you have to like dry fry them first, and then you massage them or you put in the coffee machine, the powder one, to get the curry powder. Yeah? Okay, so any more question? My Instagram followers are so quiet. Nobody say anything.
Amin Fort is my friend. He joined.
Who? Your friend?
He's my colleague.
Okay, I'm sure you cook, colleague.
Cakap Amin.
Amin, hi Amin. Rashid, good, you are learning. Thank you for the support. Okay, so now my pineapple goes in. And then maybe I add a bit of water, yeah, because my sauce is very thick. So you can cut your pineapple into small cube, big cube, whatever style or size you want, yeah. But if you want them to cook faster, of course you cut them smaller, or you can also boil them separately, yeah. And you don't need to use fresh, fruit. You can use the one in the can. So right now I'm going to add in my palm sugar. Palm sugar is yummy.
Hiroko, Yamada, hi. I'm in Osaka. I miss KL.
Hi Hiroko, how are you? Okay, Ashraf, you must ask, or maybe I have to ask, is it? Okay, my Instagram followers. No question from you guys. I got a lot in Facebook. If I don't have any from Instagram, maybe next time I only do on Facebook. So ask question please. So take your time. Once you put in your palm sugar in here, take a bit of time. And pajari nanas or the pineapple curry is meant to be a thick curry. If you are making pineapple curry, the normal one normally is thinner, and you can add like prawns inside. You know, prawns are normally very good ingredient to add into your pineapple. Yeah. So you see, we have all the spices just now, the herbs and spices, and then now we are adding the seasoning. Can you see how yummy it looks? Yeah, can you see that? Okay, if you're Swat, I'm gonna send this to you, I think, Swat. I still have your container, so this will be your lunch. Is Swat still watching? Oh, okay.
I think she is.
Alright, Swat, be ready for your lunch. So who want to be my neighbor?
Me.
Okay, so once your palm sugar dissolve, we can add in the tamarind, yeah? I got tamarind here. So
Swat say, oh thanks.
Yeah, this is going to be your lunch. So I think I'm not going to put in coconut. You can put in coconut milk, but because we have coconut paste, I'm adding in later, so I don't think I will add in my coconut milk. So you see how flexible this is? But I think I'm going to ask Aidina. She's Buddhist, so she can eat because she's not fasting. She can try a bit. Can I trust you? Taste bud I can, right, Aidina? Okay, come here please, Adina. I haven't put in the coconut paste. Oh, you want to stand there? Okay, you are very shy from the camera. Okay, never mind. I haven't put in the coconut paste, but because some people may not have coconut paste. So you can only use up to this ingredient, which is the tamarind, the palm sugar. Panas ya, so tiup-tiup dulu. So then again, like I said, it's an option that you put in coconut or not. But because I have already the okay, salt mana?
It's a bit
Can you get some salt? Sorry, I forgot.
sour.
Yeah, sour. It's supposed to have the soury spiciness and then creaminess. So you can actually add a little bit of coconut, but I'm not going to do that today. Yeah? I have, but never mind. We have so many creaminess from the paste. Yeah.
It's nice. Just a bit.
Salt enough.
Yeah.
Oh, of course I haven't put in salt.
Yeah.
So I put in some salt. Hang on. About maybe half teaspoon. Okay, I put in some salt. About half teaspoon. I mean, salt is up to you. Yeah, you want it more salty, add more salt. Okay, it looks good. So you see, again, I mentioned the ratio between the pineapple and the sauce. You see, it's not. You need actually to put more pineapple, but I'm going to let Swat do the job. She's going to cut and add in later. Okay, Swat? Right. Okay. So I think while waiting, because I need to thicken a bit more, I can show you how to make the kerisik or the coconut paste. So I have the gratings of the coconut. If you don't have the fresh gratings, you can always use desiccated coconut. Yeah, because overseas very difficult to get this. So I will on the heat first. Here, I can turn a bit here, or maybe I show lah, or I bring this here.
Yeah.
Okay, I swap around. So you don't need oil for the coconut, yeah, because coconut is oily already. So you wait a bit to heat up the pan, and then you want to add in the gratings, yeah. So meanwhile, I continue cooking here. On low heat. Don't worry, Swat, you still have your curry simmering here. Ooh, looks so good. So the final part is going to be the kerisik, yeah. But right now, I'm going to show all my viewers how to make kerisik or coconut paste, and it is very handy, very good to have in your kitchen because it adds up some flavor to it. Right? It gives you a punch of it. Very nice, very highly recommended. So I will show to you. So this kerisik, you see the kerisik here? See, it's about 1 tablespoon. It's going in here now. So can you all also maybe, but then I can show lah. Can you see? I've added